Hi, everybody. Today we are doing lesson 66, and we're also going to be practicing our yellow pop-up words, popcorn words. So today we're going to be focusing on the digraph TH. And TH, when they're side by side, when you're reading, they always go together. Okay. And there's a hard TH, the, and there's a soft TH. But for both of those, you need to stick out your tongue. So we're going to review the short vowels, and there's a vowel in every word. So A, apple. U, umbrella. O, octopus. I, itchy. Elephant, E. Okay. And then we have our digraphs, which are two letters that make one sound. And we have TH here. And it says the, as in feather. It's in the middle of the word, feather. And then we also have this TH. And you stick your tongue out again. Thumb. Thumb. All right. So if you have your pencil and your paper, we're going to start out with some words that have these sounds in them. So you might hear it at the beginning of a word, like as in this, or you might hear it at the end of a word, like in math. Okay, so the first word that I'd like you to spell is this. This. So it starts out with the and ends with is. This. So there you go. And it has the word, has a word in a word. Is. This. Okay, next word. We're gonna start out with in. So this one has a word and a word in it too. In. There you go. So when you are reading a word and you know part of the word, you can chunk it up and cover it up. So for here, we know, let me try that again. That says in, thin. Okay, next word. We're just going to change the N sound instead of thin to then. Then. And when you hear N on the end of a word, it's spelled E-N. All right, next word. Gonna change it just a little bit. Instead of then, it's gonna be them. Them. There we go. Them. So EM says M. And then we're going to change it to bath. Bath. What sound do you hear at the beginning? B, a, bath. There you go. Bath. Next one, we're just going to change the beginning sound to path. P, a, path. There you go. Path. Okay, next word, math, one of my favorite subjects. Math. There we go. Math. And then moth. So we're just changing the vowel in the middle. Moth. Moth. Okay, next one is a nonsense word. So thom. Thom. It's not a real word. We're just making it up, but this helps us read words that we don't know. Thom. Thom. Next one, thim. 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 Next word, thip. Remember to stick your tongue out. Thip. There we go. And the last one, pith. I think this is a real word though. Pith. 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 There you go. So those are our words today. And we should do one sentence too. So a sentence is a group of words and an idea. And remember to use a capital at the beginning of your sentence and a punctuation at the end. So you can either have a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark at the end. Okay, remember to use a finger space too between your words. So our sentence is, that is math. That is math. Okay. That is math. There we go. That's my sentence there. I have a capital at the beginning, punctuation at the end. That is math. All right. And we're going to practice our yellow words. So this one has some TH digraphs in it. W, I, th. You always get our fish lips ready. W, I, th. With. Say it with me. With. Next one. Lots of people get this word wrong. It's not a color. P, I, k. CK at the end just says k. Pick. Pick. This. So we wrote this earlier. This. It has a word in a word. So when we're coming to a word that we don't know, we can chunk it up and cover up part that we don't know. Is this. Them. Them. This one rhymes with then. W, so WH at the beginning of a word just says w. N, when. And then this one rhymes with it. The and then. They have the same ending sound. Now this is a bit of a tricky word. The air. There, you just have to remember it. You cannot sound it out. And then this one rhymes with it. Air, where. So they're kind of the same, right? There, where. Like, where are you going? Then we have the at, and it has a word in a word. The at, that. Then we have hello.
Oh, there she.
Much. Wish. which. Which one are you going to choose? So there you go, the yellow words. So if you know these words, it makes it a lot easier to read. You can read faster because you don't have to sound out the words. And when you're reading longer books, information books, instead of sounding out your brain, sounding out the words, you can just read the words and then you can understand what you're reading a lot better too. All right. Well, have a really good day and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I was just doing a video, but that's okay. All right.